Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry D in Tennessee, coming at you. We're going to look at another stock today. This has been a crazy. This week is just an interesting week. This is history in the making. For those guys out there that's into crypto, let's look at this stock today. Life Clips. LCLP. This stock had a 1.8K spike, 1,802% spike, 1,802% spike. Almost 2,000% off of news today. So what is Life Clips Incorporated? Well, their office is in Cumming, Georgia. Life Clips is focused on delivering the world's best global sourcing, logistics, and multi-channel sales and marketing services. Our mission is to be the world's most customer-focused and efficient way to obtain and distribute products and services globally. Our core business consists of 5 synergistic business units: global sourcing services, 2 global 3PL logistics services, 3 multi-channel retail sales and marketing, and 4 our own branded products, 5 U.S. global manufacturing operations. So, security details, let's look at this. Actually, let's just go on. So there wasn't a website. I saw the tweet on this. I got into on this today. I saw some. It was hot on Twitter this morning after news got released. So here it is, 1,802% spike. So what's the day? Day's range was 0.003 of a cent to 4 cents. Was just today's range. And there's a steady climb from market open. This started first thing this morning at market open. Right here's Wednesday. I mean, there was a buying frenzy going on in this thing. As soon as the news come out, this thing was hot. So you can see this climb here. Let's go to full screen. See right here, 714 going from 713 to 714. And just as soon as it started trading this morning, it was on the way up. It went up, it hit a peak right here, and then come back down, and then it spiked some more. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And this is just off of this news of this company. Let's go to the article. Let me go back to small screen. Small chart. Come on. Small chart. There we go. So, the volume is insane. Before I leave this page, the volume was saying almost 3 billion shares traded today. Let that sink in. Just today, 2.8 billion shares traded today on this stock. This one stock. That's how hot this stock was today. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm still in it. I've not sold. I'm holding. It held the price at the end of the day. I'm going to see what the rest of the week gives us. But I've got a small position in it. And man, I was impressed by how this stock went up off its news. Let's move on to the article. And I'll leave links to the article so in case you're interested in reading. All right, so Life Clips to enter a cryptocurrency market with a definitive agreement to acquire global blockchain and digital currency platform Belfrix Group. Life Clips plans to enter the $2 trillion cryptocurrency market by acquiring Belfrix Group. Ventura, Florida, July 14, 2021. Global Newswire, which is a news service that reports on stocks, So this article is also, this is, Yahoo Finance is just pulling this in for people to read. Let me get my ugly mug off here, let you just see the full screen here. So, they announced that it has agreed to acquire Belfrix Group, a global blockchain technology firm that runs cryptocurrency exchanges on its proprietary platform. Belfrix currently has a presence in Malaysia, Singapore, India, Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, Bahrain, and it has the capability to process over, check this out, 1 million transactions per second. I'm a IT person. That's a freaking fast system. They've got a pretty fast network. 1 million transactions per second. Let that sink in. That's a lot of transactions. Belfrix CEO and founder Praveen Kumar will remain CEO of Belfrix, while Robert Grinberg will serve as CEO of LifeClips. The cryptocurrency market is expected to reach $8 trillion by 2030, while the market for blockchain technology is expected to add $176 billion to the U.S. GDP during the same period. Founded in 2014, the Belfrix digital exchange platform was fully developed in-house, is one of the most compliant platforms in the cryptocurrency industry. Supported by proprietary technology, the Belfrum blockchain KYC solution, the KYC and AML process of Belfrix Exchange is well accepted by regulators globally. With 10 operational offices in 8 countries, Belfrix provides localized and personalized support to digital currency traders through its Blockchain Academy. Belfrix provides continuous training to traders, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts, tongue-tied, in more than 20 countries. Belfrix is licensed and regulated by Yahoo Financial Services Authority, LFSA, in Malaysia. Belfrix CEO and founder Praveen Kumar said, "This is an exciting time for Belfrix after many years of hard work building global exchange for cryptocurrency, the most secured trading platform. It is time to spread our wings globally. The acquisition of Belfrix by LifeClips will help expand the reach of both our cryptocurrency platform and our blockchain solutions, which will create an impact worldwide." So, I'm going to let you folks read the rest of the article instead of sitting here reading it to you, but this is history going on in the making. So this is one thing that's going on here. They're getting set up to do e-commerce on the web. Is what they're doing. This company Belfrix has everything in place to handle huge transactions, and this little merger, this agreement that's going on, this is going to just get crypto into the retail market. Is what this they're setting this up. These two companies are setting up crypto to be part of retail. So my guess is eventually crypto's really, really been hot this past 2 years, and as there's more interest to this, crypto is going to be more widely accepted by more retailers in the future, and this is going to enable retailers to actually accept purchases in crypto. This is how I'm reading this. Because this LifeClips is marketing. It's retail. It's in the business into marketing products and retail sales. So they are setting themselves up to maybe if Walmart wanted to accept crypto, then they'll set them up with a merchant account to where Walmart can allow you to purchase with your Doge. Or Bitcoin, what have you, purchase products off their website. That's how I'm reading this. This is history going. This is history. This is progress. Okay, this is the new millennium. This is where things is going with digital currency. This is going to further push cryptocurrency into the retail market, where you can actually use your crypto to purchase more and more products, be it through Best Buy, Walmart. Who knows who their customers are going to be? So this is history. This is history. You are seeing this is history in the making. This is exciting news. You know what else is exciting news? I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to do this. So Oracle's getting into crypto. Let's see if I can pull him up. Dogecoin Millionaire. Doge. There he is. Is this the video I'm looking for? Let's see. I think this is the video I'm looking for. So, all right, bear with me. Okay, I think this is close to where I want to be. This is good stuff. This is history too. Now look at this. Oracle is got a stake in this Acrea. So Oracle is setting up a network similar to what this other company I just talked about. Yeah, my mind just went blank. I've worked all day, and I've been on the road for 2 hours. So anyway, we'll get back to this other stock. But Oracle is putting a stake into this Acrea digital currency. So they're setting up their own network, and my guess is Oracle is setting up their little deal to also get more. Make crypto more available to the retail market as well. So with Oracle, a big name like Oracle getting into crypto, and this Acrea coin will probably go up with this news about Oracle. So this is history as well. So Oracle's doing a similar thing, okay, to make crypto more accessible to the retail market. So there's a movement, folks. We're going to see more and more crypto, and more crypto is going to be a common thing in the future. How this is going to work, I don't know, because there's so many different crypto coins. Instead of like having a U.S. Now, I'm going to digress. The U.S. is talking about creating its own crypto too, but that's another story. That's another story. But the United States, the government is talking about having their own crypto. So I don't know how it's going to work. You got Doge, you got Akria, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum. There's no one standard coin. You've got all these other coins, and they're all worth different values in relation to, if you're in the United States, the U.S. dollar. Some crypto's worth more versus some is worth less. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out in the retail market. I guess it's going to be translated. These companies that set up these networks to allow people to take crypto is going to have to convert. There's going to have to be a conversion. Like if you were going to France and you were buying French money, francs, to spend on your vacation while you're in Paris, then you got to go to the bank. The bank says, well, franc is worth so much U.S. dollar or whatever. I don't know what the translation is right now. I'm not going to look it up. I'm not going to bore you with it. But this is just an example. You're going to have to spend so much U.S. dollars for so many francs, or get so many francs for so many U.S. dollars. And the same thing, if you were going to Mexico and you were getting Mexican money, there's going to have to be a conversion between the currencies to convert it. And that's all this crypto's already doing anyway. I mean, it's the same thing that the governments have been doing with paper money since the beginning of the time, since they've been doing this. So, this is history, folks. There's some historical events that people should take note of, because this stuff will be in the history books. So, all right. So enough of the Doge. The Doge. In fact, I think if I copy this to here, I'll put the Dogecoin, Doge Millionaire. I'll put his link in here too for you folks to watch this video as well. So, that's the least I should do anyway, since I stole this video, right? But this is history. What he just talked about Oracle being involved with the Akria is history. And this life clips, that's it. Life clips. This news for life clips right here. This is a similar thing that Oracle's doing with the Akria. They're setting up to allow to give retailers access to allow purchases with crypto. This is the start of it. This will move crypto into the retail market. So this is the combination of things with Oracle getting involved with their deal, doing a similar thing as Belfrix Group. All of this stuff is setting everything up for crypto to be in the retail market, in the stores. It's already probably on a lot of websites already. There's probably sites that are taking, they're probably limited to certain crypto that they accept, like Dogecoin, Ethereum, or whatever. But this is going to magnify the access to crypto and purchasing products out in the retail market. This is history. And I'm making this video just so I'll have a historical record of when July 14th, 2021, crypto is moving on into the retail market. It's just a matter of time. You're going to see more and more, I'd say fairly soon, you're going to see more and more retailers announcing that they're accepting crypto. And maybe this is going to allow retailers to accept all crypto. It may not matter if you have Bitcoin, if you have Ethereum, if you have Dogecoin, if you have is it Arcadia? Arcadia, I think it's what it is, Arcadia. It won't matter which one, because they may accept all of them. You'll just, go to the website, you have a drop down and you just say what coin you're paying in. It'll convert it over what the price of the product is you're buying, how much your coin that you need to spend, and boom, you can make your purchase. I've been in IT since early 80s. And I've seen a lot of changes, and this right here, this is the future, folks. This is going to put crypto in the retail market. I can just see it in my mind how it's going to play out. So this is exciting news. This is exciting news. I'm glad I was able to share this with you. I was excited about this little spike on this stock. I mean, look at this. 5 days. Today, I mean, bam, look at this. Bam! I mean, oh man, I love it. I hadn't seen this. This since Blue Spear spiked 4,000%. But yeah, I just kind of hate that they kind of got killed with the halt that happened. I hope Blue Spear. I'm looking forward. I like to see Blue Spear come back. I really would. Blue Spear. I really believe in Blue Spear. Clean energy, man. Clean energy, and then you got digital currency coming up. Look at this, 1,802%. Anybody that was in this today, they've done well. Anybody that bought into this from the start off of that news, that's the thing. You got to keep your eyes open. You see something come out, you see a news article come out. Listen to the stock. You know, look on Twitter. Look at the iHub, Yahoo Finance. Look at the news stories. Look at Bloomberg. All these stock sites. Let's see. Morningstar's another one. Motley Fool. All these guys are reporting the news. Market Watch. OTC Markets, they release news. I think OTC Markets has a news. Yeah, no, that's not where I need to go. Yeah. So if you go to OTC Markets, this is probably on their news as well. Probably one of the stories. Well, I'm not seeing it, so maybe I'm wrong. Not all of them's going to. Not all of them's going to be. I'm glad to see FTXP. They were one of the ones that spiked the other day. That well, they didn't spike. Maybe they were up 30% or something like that. But looks like they're filing to go current. That's good. But nope, I don't see it in the list. I'm sure somebody, Bloomberg or somebody, was talking about it because the way this stock, they were on something. Global Newswire is probably the main. This was a Globe Newswire is probably where people saw it, and bam, the stock started spiking right out of the gate. As soon as the bell rung, people were buying this stock up. I'm looking for the rest of the week to be a good week for this stock. I really am. So, anyway, what do I know anyway? I'm just an old man. In East Tennessee. I'm Jerry D in East Tennessee. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just an old man talking about stocks. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm just an old man that likes to talk and trade stocks, and this is not stock advice. You should do your own research. I'm going to put the links out there so you can read up on this stuff, but this is a good start for this stock, this little spike, and it held the price at the end of the day. That's a good sign. I can see this price, if they take off and they start releasing news. Walmart's or Target's taking Bitcoin. Best Buy, Lowe's, Home Depot taking Bitcoin. They're taking cryptocurrency for payments. You start seeing retail news, people taking the coin that this company's behind it, or the Oracle, the Arcadia Oracle setup. These stocks are going to go. These stocks are going to go up. Yeah, check out the Dogecoin Millionaire. He's probably put the links. I think he's put the links in his video, so I'm going to put a link to his video. I invite you to listen to his video. He starts out talking about Dogecoin and why he's diamond hands and why he wants to hold and won't sell even though it went down, because he believes in the coin. He has faith in what he's investing in, and that's the way you need to be about your stocks that you're investing in. You've got to feel in your heart that this is a good stock. I've invested in a good thing. This is a real company. This company's going to do good things. So do your research. Convince yourself. Do the research. And evaluate for yourself if it's something you should invest in. Don't take my word for it. Don't chase my trades, okay? Don't chase anybody's trades that will burn you. That will burn you, because I have done it myself. I've talked about it in some of my other videos. If you chase somebody else's trades, you can get burned very quickly. You can lose money very fast in the stock market. So, trade smart, trade scared. Do not invest anything you can't afford to lose, and just sit back, look at the stocks, and look at what the price action like. This has had good price actions today. I'm like, man, I got to get me some of this LCLP, and it did well today. It did real well today. I was impressed. I'm looking forward to the rest of the week. I think this stock's going to. It may not climb this fast in the next coming weeks. I think it may have a slow up and down climb, and we'll see. We'll just see. Anyway, I hope everybody has a profitable week. I don't want anybody that watches my videos, I don't want you to lose any money. Look at the price action. I've said it in some of my other videos. You've got to look at, let's go full screen. You got to look at the MACD, the RSI. Look at what the RSI did first thing this morning. Market open, straight up climb. MACD, gradual climb. It's like a wave. Ride the wave. And then the volume weighted average is starting up. Now, the thing they say about the volume weighted average, the stock's not going to drop till the volume weighted average hits, this line hits the price. If this hits, this is going to go up above the price, and the price is going to start coming down. But as long as this is down below that, it's still going to climb. That's kind of how it works, the mechanics behind the way it tends to work. So that's how you know when to get in, when to get out. Watch this MACD or relative stock index, and the volume weighted average, and see what they're doing, and that's going to show you what the price is doing. That's going to give you an indication on how you need to trade this stock. So keep that in mind. Good luck. I hope the rest of the week's a good week for you. I may do a video on the Oracle thing with the other crypto, and do a video on. I just hadn't had time to do it. I knew that the Dogecoin Millionaire, I knew he had his video, and that's how I found out about this Oracle. I hadn't seen anything on Twitter about that Oracle deal, which I'd say it probably is. I'm just watching different people. I'm not watching the people that's watching Oracle. And I'm not following crypto as much as I am stocks. So that being said, I think I may do a little research into the Oracle, and if I find out if I find out some juicy stuff, some stuff that interests me, I may do another video on what Oracle is doing with crypto, what they're planning on doing. If I can dig in, if they've released, they may not have released much news. They may just put a teaser out there saying they're looking into creating a system to manage crypto, and that's maybe all they're going to do. I can't blame them because somebody else may try to copy what they're doing. I think Oracle's trying to get into crypto before too many other people are, so they can be one of the main players. And this other company will probably be a main player. They will be a competition for the Oracle side. So Life Clips will probably be a competitor. Maybe not, maybe or maybe not. Oracle may be doing their thing here on this side of the world, and Life Clips may be more over in the Asian markets. I don't know, because they are in Malaysia, in Africa, and the other side of the world. So we'll see. We will see. But this is history in the making, folks, and here you're seeing it here on my channel. I appreciate if you stuck it out this long. I'd love for you to subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I'm going to come out with more videos, that's for sure. And if you like the video, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. It'll push it out for more people. Get the news out about these stocks. The more people that know about this stuff, the more trading that's going to go on, the more people's going to get into it, and the more the price is going to go up, the more volatility there's going to be, the more people buying into this stock. So spread the word about this stuff, about these two, and what else? Click the notification bell and you'll be notified when I come out with the next video. But thank you for supporting my channel. Over 300 people subscribed. I'm surprised 300 people want to listen to an old man in Tennessee, but I really appreciate your support. I'd like to hit maybe 1,500 before the end of the year. We'll see, because I don't make anything off of it. I'm just making these videos on my own time, no pay off of anything. It's just more or less a little side thing, a little hobby I'm doing. But I appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next video. Again, spread the word about these two coins, these two, Life Clips. If you're on Twitter, talk about this on social media. Talk about Arcadia. Get the word out about these two, and they will do well. They've already got it. This has got a good start. And the other deal with Oracle, Arcadia, digital currency, with Oracle being behind them, that coin is going to probably be the next Doge that's going to go up. That's going to be about similar to what Doge has done this past year. So that's it. That's just my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to hit $20, $30 by the end of the year. We don't know. You won't know till people start investing in it. Just like this one. No, I don't know that they had a clue that this stock was going to go up like this when they released a news story. But apparently, there's a lot of people interested in digital currency, and a lot of people saw this to be a good thing. I do. I think this is a good movement forward for digital currency to get it into the retail market. So with that being said, I'll let you go. I hope you have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh, my word. Cloudy day, looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.